folks, it's me again. Today's video is about tractor repair, and basically, this is the new tractor I picked up. It's a 1974 Massey Ferguson. It has a 254 cubic foot engine. It runs on diesel and basically, what do you call it? Candy and sugar. So, but it has a 22 billion million trillion, what do you call it, set of gears. Anyway, to make a long story short here, I don't want to get water over the table. There's water inside this thing. What am I doing with this? Well, it's another one of those cap screw videos. What I want to do is take this off right here. And I was thinking, let me move this over here. What am I doing with this? Well, one thing I've always done is, me and my wife, we always pick up these used toys in the road because, when you got 4 kids, it's fun to just pick up toys. My son likes little farm tractor things and different toys, so I decided, I seen this on the side of the road, and it's got bent wheels. And this will be like the 5th one I've repaired because they're just stupid easy to repair. And I'm basically going to take this and bend the rod back and put it back together if I get this out here. And normally they have those other cap screws that go on and are like seriously indestructible and impossible to get off. This one has a, ugh, this is gross. Oh, the wheel's broken? Damn. Hot damn. Well. The wheel's busted. Look at that. I'm going to see if I can get a wheel for it. This little piece that goes in here is broke. It's pretty gross. I'm going to take the other one outside off too. Because a lot of times these stupid little gadgets here, not little gadgets, but lots of times you can order a new rod and new wheels. Should I order new wheels for this? Probably not. But if I can jerry-rig some way to use these ones, why not, right? Let me see. And these cap nuts suck. These are the ones that actually kind of come off. And it's the other ones that don't have a... Well, why am I using a cobalt set of locking pliers? Because I want to see how good they are. And apparently, I'm not really... There you go. I'm not really too thrilled about these suckers. They're not a... Alright, maybe I need one wheel. Sometimes you can find wheels cheap. Alright, that's not going to come out. Come on. Off. There we go. That's something like that. Little Tikes. This one's kind of okay. The other one's not okay. Is this thing going to come out? So anyway, this rod bent. Usually, this is the only culprit. So anyway, that's the rod. What am I going to do? I'm going to check online to see if I can get another, what do you call it, bar for this. I'll measure how long it is, banging it to, let me see. Let me put this on the floor. And like anyone would say is, why would you fix the toy? Well, you know what? So far I've picked up, how many Barbie Jeeps? So far I picked up a Barbie Jeep on the side of the road for $0, and honestly, the kids love it. Why would I even pick up a Barbie Jeep? Simple. It was free, and I hacked it, and I put a new battery in it, and it works great. They're, I think, around $400 for a Barbie Jeep. Well, you know, I'm not spending $400 on a Barbie Jeep. Why is this bent? Because probably some big kid got on the little kids ride, and let's see, it's almost straight. Look at this. It's not building hot rods, but hey, it's still fun. Anyway, we straighten this out. I will basically see because this piece is, it's all wrecked. I could theoretically, this is yucky and the inside's yucky. I could just for the hell of it, take a round piece of metal here, measure the diameter, and maybe put a steel plate on here, on this side, screw it to it, and just drill a hole, and just put it in there. Or I could, somebody got a hole in there, look at that. I'm betting somebody drilled a hole, or there is a hole in here already, to get the water out of the tires, because usually these things fill up with water. Anyway, I'll get back to you on this and I'll put it back together. So we have one wheel, we have one that's, it's usually from people who are too heavy sitting on these things. An older kid sits on it, breaks the toy, and boom, done. So anyway, I will try to chisel this together with the rest, and I'll tell you what I find out. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hello folks, I'm continuing this video with the wheel parts. Well, so far what I've learned is these wheels are discontinued. Little Tikes doesn't have anything this big. They're not that, they're in pretty decent shape, and from what I checked on eBay, someone's selling a brand new one. I shouldn't say brand new. Someone's selling a vintage one like this for $360. So it's got some vintageness to it. Finding wheels for it, might not be too hard. I have a feeling the wheel is worn a little. Yeah, basically it's plastic's worn to hell here. So I probably could find, let's see, I get the wheel things in the right place. I probably could find another set of wheels for it. Could, maybe not, who knows. Yeah, it's spewing water in the tire. There's water in the tire. So anyway, should I fix it? I don't know, it'd be a fun project. What would be the best way to fix this problem? I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. My only suggestion would be, I don't know what, the only thing I can come up with maybe is put some, I don't know, I have no idea. If I had one of those plastic welding things, maybe it'd work. Maybe clean it out real good and possibly fill it with some kind of plastic. I could, no idea. Maybe put a metal plate on here, like just lop this off, cut a round piece of metal, put a little piece of metal thing here, with a hole, like a disc with a hole, line it up, just tack on, just so that the bar fits through here on a metal shaft. I don't know if that would work or not. Be a little fat. I mean, it would still work. See, doesn't mean it won't work. Or I could just maybe put a little. Was it? This side still holds, so there's some that's gonna have a little wobble. I would want to fix the wobble because then the other side's just gonna break. So maybe you just maybe I could put about 10 pounds of JB Weld in there, just drill a new hole through it. That might work too. But then I have to get all the gunk out of there. But I think I'm gonna fix it just for the fun of it. If I get my son gets, I don't know, 5 minutes out of it. At least I had fun learning how to fix it, because that's a problem I hate with plastic. It is, they break and you can't fix it. You cannot fix these things unless you have some, like, even like if I filled the whole Bondo would just wear out. So I'm thinking maybe just put a, like I said, put a, if I could find something to stick on this, maybe little, I don't know, maybe what the hell's that word? Maybe some sort of adhesive glue. Just glue it on there. Just glue it a metal, just a little piece of metal with a little, little coupling with a hole in there just to hold it so it doesn't look like this. The rest of it's fine. The bar I could reuse. It's not too warped. I'll clean it off, oil it up. See, this one's not too terrible. See, it doesn't wobble. So why not? It's fun. Fun little toy. If I see another one on the side of the road, I will pick one up and demolish it and put another wheel on it. So yeah, I'm fixing a dumb toy. It's fun though. My son, I swear, my son would love this damn thing. If I could find even something to make another set of wheels would be pretty cool. But if I could possibly fill it with something, fill the wheel with some kind of plastic. If I had I don't know. It's a tough call. I mean, if I take a piece of putty, put over there, I could mold it. I'm thinking best option is just a little round sheet. Put a little piece of like kind of like I can very easily make a little spacer to go on here, kind of like this. Put a little spacer on there. Put a little metal plate. Just give it a little stick weld, and ta-da! Be done. Wouldn't be too hard. In fact, it doesn't even have to be. It doesn't even have to be round. It doesn't even have to look like that. So, or actually, you know what? I should try something really crazy. I should try taking a whatchamacallit, a big. Oh, that'd be a really good idea. Yeah, I should try taking. I have a big 2-inch bar stock, a big bar. I should try putting it on my lathe and cutting it to just the right appropriate size, stick out with a. So here'd be my idea. I'll try to take the widest round bar stock I have out of aluminum, and I'll try to make it as wide as I can, make it come up this height, and I'll shave it all off. Then I'll drill a hole through the middle, and I'll just find a way to screw it and glue it. It might work. Just my luck, the wheel will be like boom, boom, boom. Anyway, that's the end of my video. Little tractor, some wheels. Yeah, I'm going to bed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends I'm actually might do some work. Thanks for watching.